actually have Dr. Rosan Yoshida. He is the founder of Missouri Zen Center in Webster Groves. He is an active participant in the Parliament of World Religions and its efforts to promote a new universal global ethic in conjunction with the Parliament of World Religions. He also participates in the Interfaith Gathering for Peace in St. Louis and is involved with drafting the Common Appeal for Peace. Today he will discuss water issues and the global ethic. Dr. Yoshida.
I'd like to use PowerPoint slideshow. First one is from NASA's picture of aerosol travel all around the globe. Maybe too many pieces, slides, so I will put up in our website, MissouriZenCenter.org, so that you can access all the documents. Let's see first how the air carries aerosols, which means also for water. And then vapor, clouds, rain, snow, tornadoes, hurricanes, cyclones, typhoons, even seawater traveling, conveyor belt in thousands of years, and even the continent moving around. Water is the, I think, easiest and the most efficient medium. So that's really important for our life and death, for the global ecosystem too. Maybe that's enough technical slideshow. Yeah, okay. The next slideshow. Yeah, okay. Water is really alive. The Earth is the only one planet of life, which is a planet of water, source of life. Water is life. Water is limited. So life is limited. Life is valuable. And so water is valuable. All the dynamism, all phenomena are system synergy. As I explained before this slide, I think we can go. By the way, yeah. They move more frequent, faster, stronger as they get hotter, as we have global warming. So like in Japan, we will never have tornadoes. Now we have a lot of tornadoes. Typhoon was just in 1 month, but now half a year, early spring to late autumn. Stronger, so more damage. Water cycle, especially like snow cap, mountain snow cap is important, like Himalaya, which supply the river systems for China, India, etc. And also I think in the rest, or any other continent. But through the global warming, it's decreasing, sometimes causing a flood. But that means insufficient water for irrigation or drinking, domestic use, industry. This water cycle is hindered impeded by human activities, pollution, production, more population cause more problems in ecosystem. Water cycle problems. This is cyclone. Last time, very recently, we had one two cyclone. This, the Hurricane Katrina, New Orleans area. Tornado, left side Oklahoma City, right side our neighboring city, Joplin. Drought, Mendocino in California. Garbage all over and carried by the sea, ocean. Waste. This is all the story we know, that Arab Sea dried up. Water is not well used, and the right part shows more than half is wasted before used for crops. Tsunami, this is old one, but we in Japan had a very big one, was a big earthquake, Richter scale 9, and had also nuclear power plant melted down, 3 reactors, and more than 20,000 people dead. This is Bandachi flooding. Mangrove is damaged by farming, shrimp, etc. India, Bangladesh. Forest fire, we are familiar with the West Coast. More often, more stronger and longer. Water scarcity. Red is physical water scarcity. Blue is no problem. Yellow is economic water scarcity. In the future, we have a lot of problems like this. Now, ocean temperature is going up. That means ocean sea level rise, which inundate coastal cities, bringing salty water into aquifer, and also soil, which damage crops. Here's ocean conveyor belt through 1,000 years, and like one we see going up from Gulf Stream to Europe. If the ice in the Greenland melts and become less salt, then the belt may stop, which causes a cold wave in Europe and many other places. How much we have water? Mostly, almost 98% is seawater. And then saline water, groundwater, and then gradually up and top front, you see. Only 2 ppm is river water which we can use. This shows part into 100, part into 100. So easier way you can see the next slide. So it says streams 1 ppm or 0.001%. As population increases, our water usage decreases. So you see 2030, only about 1,000 cubic meters, which is limit is sufficient or insufficient water use. Population explosion causes all the problems, as we'll see. Energy use we see by electricity use. Energy use, America top and Japan at the bottom. I mean, red one, not amount. The energy use will increase as the population increases. So this biosphere we have per capita. So the forest. It's a forest before civilization and no forest after civilization, which is really important to keep water or create oxygen, absorbing CO2. Biggest, except maybe nuclear holocaust, is this global warming. Greenland. Ozone layer depletion. Earthquakes, as I told, earthquakes. Japan has 10% of the world earthquakes. And then they built nuclear power plants, very dangerous. No way to store safely the nuclear waste, radiation waste. Earthquake. Flooding. Nuclear accident. It says, this is from UNEP. Chernobyl is not worse now. Fukushima is the worst one. Still continuing. We don't know where the melted core is. Spewing radiation and carrying through ocean and air. We had 5 major mass extinctions, and now we have the 6th one caused by mankind, which is due to the civilization, urbanization, stopping this natural cyclical life phenomena. We just want to go one direction to the top. Just maybe 0.001% of people, and underneath is other people, And then underneath other species, environment, etc. All kinds of problems we have. Mankind had three major revolutions: production revolution, social revolution, or urban revolution, or civilization, where we started the class systems, exploitation, extermination of other species. The third one is to stop it, a spiritual revolution, where major religions, world religions came to stop them. From the lower part was a life part. We try to build civilization which is based on delusion of ego, ego-centeredness, and bondage, discrimination, exploitation of war. That part is a natural cyclical system, life system, which we had long before civilization came in. We have to have awakening to it. Then we can have freedom, equality, love, and peace. We, pyramidal civilization, pursue matter and power. The lower part, ecological system, we want to build up the ego, where we see now when many egos make up population. And then production, pollution. These are three major causes of polluting or deficiency of water. This is called three poisons: delusion, action, suffering. 3 steps. This, Indranet, covering the universe, which on each node is a crystal ball which reflects all other balls. Like in this case, CO2 increase, effect on many areas. Dharma is almost nature. Dharma is form, phenomena, and also norm, law of phenomena. Essentially, dependent origination, like causal relations, but wider and deeper. With this dependent origination, this shows our life, how our life goes. We need to become more truthful and peaceful. Zen koan has the one conversation. What is the significance of the patriarch coming from the west? Cypress tree in the garden. If we sit, we become like tree. Tree and the true came from the same root. Maybe tree, the dharma, root of the dharma, holding forms and norms. On this truth or law or dharma, we need to have ethic. System, fundamental, ethic, total, not just partial. and matter dynamic information event. 4 of the 5 Buddhist precepts are no killing, no stealing, no lying, no sexual misconduct. This was employed in the Declaration toward the Global Ethic in 1993, and they put into 4 irrevocable directives: commitment to the culture of non-violence and respect for life. Second one, solidarity and just economic order. Third one, tolerance and a life of truthfulness. The 4th one, equal rights and partnership between men and women. This came from the 5 precepts. This was issued in 1993, and as a counterpart of it, the Bodhi Summit made up the declaration, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and sent to the UN, but it was somehow ignored. A lot of people against it because now, according to the 4 directives, I put into these SRA, like global system, which has a problem, so we need global ethic. But global system should be systemic, sustainable, safe, and simple. Global ethic, accordingly, must observe law of dependent origination, life, love. These 2 to 5 is the 4 directives: life, love, liberation, lifelessness. And then completely about material flow, we need 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, rearrange, restore. About information flow, access, assess, agree, act, advice. The internet is a system network. We have this Dharma world, like clear crystal ball reflecting each other, and the whole universe also like clear crystal, like entire world in 10 directions, 4 corners in between, up and down, is a clear crystal ball. When we sit, we become one with the universe. And from bubble-like life, we get to more ocean-like life, limitless life, and attain light, liberation, and love. What's the time? Do we have time? 15 minutes. Okay, then I took some information from the UN. Can you read? Okay. These 5 years, we have 2,000 some disasters, water-related disasters, killing 290 people, affecting